Hello guys, this is a short video to thanks all of you for the support that you are giving to the channel. This year many of you share many recipes with me. Thank you guys. And we are close to reach the 500,000 followers here on the channel. So thank you guys for your support. But because very soon we start the new year, 2025, let me know what you want to see next year in the videos. You want to see video more about cheese, cold cuts, more beers, more wine, more bread, pasta, fish, more liquors. About the book, thanks again for all the ones that bought it. So because many appreciate this book, with Daniele we decided to publish another book. But again, what topic you would like to see in our next book? Let us know down in the comment if it's maybe preserved food, cold cuts, cheese, wine, beer. Again, let us know down in the comment. Okay guys, if by chance you see this video, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe, click on the bell and share the videos with your friends. If you are already subscribed, remember to check the bell, because many times I post a video, different of you comment, I didn't see this video. Something is wrong. Yes, something is wrong. Sometimes YouTube doesn't work properly. So if you click on the bell, you will receive the notification. Okay guys, see you next year. Let us know down in the comment what you want to see here on the channel. Bye bye.